also, how can we repatriate to our country? And also, who has become refugee in this Bangladesh, we always struggle to go our own land. By eating relief from other nation, you never occupy your country only because of its debt. By eating relief, we are become shameless day after day. And beside of it, we always try to our best level. As soon as how can we go our country? And also, at least I want to salam to all of you who are audience and the respected teacher. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.